Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA, an Orlando, Orange County-based Social Security Disability law firm. Let's go ahead and begin. Question 20 of the 50 top ALJ trick questions. So, claimant, so says the judge, let me ask you this. How far into the woods do you live? Trick question. How far into the woods do you live? What do you think? What do you think? First of all, females especially have no idea what distances are. Y'all don't know how long your car is. Y'all don't know how long a football field is. It's 100 yards. Yeah, but how far is that? How many feet is that? Okay, what's something that's similar to that in size? No idea. No idea. Which is fine. It is what it is. That's how the world works. I get it. I love you. Okay, bye. So here's what you need to know about this how far into the woods question you're going to run into. First of all, so we talked about learning distances. Second of all, understand if you're claiming back, leg, hip, whatever issue, some sort of weight-bearing joint issue, then your camp in the woods as a homeless person better not be that far. Okay, if you're talking, oh, I'm 300 feet in, I'm deep in the woods. Well, then guess what? Every time you have to go get food, you're going to have to go that distance. Oh, people bring it to me. Well, what happens when they don't? What happens when Jimmy, your friend, isn't available? Right? Okay, so what we're looking at here is kind of the bottom line. If you have to go someplace, you have to go to a bus stop, right? Oh, okay, so you have to walk 300 feet just to get to the bus stop, and then it's really just 300 feet to get out of the woods, and then it's another so many feet to get to the bus stop. So then very quickly we come into a clear point that you are having an amazing ability to walk. Oh, I ride my bicycle out of it. Okay, so didn't you just tell me that the path was partially covered and there were things in the way, so you got to get off, then you got to carry your bicycle over a stump? Be aware of the how far into the woods trick question and what you're going to run into with that particular situation, and specifically be aware of, food, transportation, medical treatment. Sometimes there's groups that go into the woods to go ahead and check on you and see what's going on, all that stuff. That's fine, but just keep in mind the bottom line is that if you're traveling that far outside of the regular path of travel, the road, the whatever, into the woods where you live, and you're like, oh, I have to be that far into the woods because I can't be around other people, right? Okay, and I get it. That's fine. But keep in mind, they're going to have a bunch of questions about how you actually get resources back there and how you get out of there each time that you have a medical appointment, each time that you have to use transportation or whatever. All right, so just be aware that's coming. All right? I'm keeping these questions short because we're about to go into new territory because I already recorded the first 20 back in the day, but I was super tired. It was 2 a.m. The dogs were attacking me, and I love them very much. At 21, we'll go ahead and be in new territory. We're about to go to question 20. Also, at 8 p.m. on the 9th of April, 2020, you can call me on this phone, the 407-279-1754. Again, the 407-279-1754 number, and I will run with you the questions that you're likely to hear in that hearing. It's free, but when you call in, use a fake name. I'll give you the disclaimer of stuff you need to know, and then boom, we're running them, okay? Also, keep in mind, I can't just run them for hours with one person, okay? You're not my claimant. I'm doing this to help you guys out. It's going to be hitting you with tough questions about your impairments, all right? I'm going to beat you up. I love you, but I'm going to beat you up, okay? Somebody's going to hold my beer because I'm going to use it on, I'm going to use myself to beat you up. All right, anyways, on to question 20, and we'll catch up from there. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.